Hello guys and welcome to the Law Putra's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about something academic, that is legal research methodology, and we will discuss about the difference between thesis and dissertation. I am Jagannath Kulkarni and I welcome you to this discussion today. First of all, let us talk about what do we mean by legal research. This is a very important concept. Legal research is a continuous process. Let us talk about this. Law, as we all know, it is considered as the behavioral science. Why? Because it regulates human behavior. And legal research is the research in that branch of knowledge which deals with principles of law and legal institutions. There are three main sources of law: legislation, precedent, and custom. Legislation is what actually is meant by the representatives of people. Precedent is what has been actually happened in the past, and a custom as to what the society follows, what the society accepts. When we consider the juristic writings, they are also the another source of law, important though secondary. Its importance depends on whether these juristic writings have been given the due recognition by courts or legislature or jurists in solving the problems that are faced by the society, or whether they are not being recognized. Aim of law is to regulate human behavior in present day society. So first the human behavior happens and then the law gets enacted. Legal research must be directed to study of relation between world of law and then the world that the law purports to govern. This is very important. So legal research always should have aim or direction to study these relation between these two. Legal research is inquiry for verification of fresh theory or for supplementing the prevailing theories by new knowledge. When we say new knowledge, it is the extension of existing knowledge. And in this way, we can affirm that no research can be said to be absolutely new. A researcher, while undertaking a project for his work, he should possess or he should have possessed much of information about the original work. And then while conducting research, he will proceed onward to acquire more information about it. And then he will formulate certain hypotheses, certain assumption, presumption on that basis. And then he will prove. Original and fundamental contribution to knowledge on legal subject is the legal research, and a continuous process of acquiring knowledge through inquiry into the laws. Now, let us talk about what are the components of this legal research: thesis and dissertation. Thesis, the original Greek word is tithenai, which means to place or to position. Then the Latin word has been evolved as the thesis. It has two meanings: an abstract question and to put something forward. So this is the thesis. So it is the basically what are we are going to place the existing or abstract question. Thesis is an academic paper which covers an in-depth review of existing research. So nothing new is being done. It is only being presented newly in a particular discipline. It involves an academic argument. It does not usually require the original research. Research is already been done. We are only positioning it, putting it. Existing research is used to support and evaluate the proposed argument. Now, what is dissertation? The original Latin word is dissertere. Also, the original Latin word is dissertatio, and original Latin word also is disserere. So, all these three Latin words have been evolved into dissertation. The first means to continue to discuss or debate, and to examine and discuss. So, this is the dissertation. Now, dissertation is a piece of academic writing which is centered around the original research. It is the review of existing research with unique hypotheses and approaches. It can be used to disprove a previous theory, importantly, or it can be used to take the existing theories and research in a new direction. So this is something newer that we are going to do with dissertation. It starts with the dissertation proposal, something that we have to take. Now let us see the similarities first between thesis and dissertation. Generally, these are the long pieces of academic writing and they are much longer than a typical essay. So essay is a shorter version, but these thesis different or dissertation, they will be the longer versions. These two, they explore a topic in depth and conducting totally unique research or structuring an argument based on existing research. So both way, we have to explore a topic in depth and then devise these two. It is excellent academic writing skills are required, which are highly important whether you are considering thesis or you are considering the dissertation. Now let us discuss about the differences between these two. Thesis, usually it is a culmination of existing research, very important, while dissertation, it develops a unique and original concepts in a particular field of research. Also, thesis, it usually chooses a stance on an existing idea and it defends it with analysis. Dissertation requires new research. It also requires a hypothesis which will be further proven. Thesis is same as an academic research paper, while dissertation is more like an academic book, something new that we are doing. Thesis, data what we collected while thesis is based on hypothetical analysis of contents, while dissertation, it consists of theories and arguments based on original research. Also, theses have to utilize research work and must focus on primary argument to prove our viewpoint, whatever new viewpoint we want to prove. While dissertation, we need to novel the findings to existing literature. Something new that we are doing in dissertation. In case of thesis, we need to include hypothesis based on research work. But in dissertation, we must have a decent knowledge of new discoveries in order to infer conclusion. Thesis obviously is shorter than dissertation, so it takes less time to complete. Dissertation is longer than thesis. Why? Because the oral presentation component is also involved in dissertation, so it takes more time to complete. So with this, we conclude today's discussion about the difference between thesis and dissertation in legal research methodology. Thank you. Thank you very much.